Hello and welcome to Roosted Healthcare. In this short video, I'll show you how to make skill sets more flexible and how to rename them on the fly. Let's start by creating a test job. I'll add a few skill sets, beginning with CNA. I've added 2 CNA shifts, one starting at noon and another in the afternoon. For the afternoon shift, I'll increase the number of workers needed to 7. Now we have 2 CNA shifts, one at noon and one in the afternoon, with 7 workers assigned to the later shift. For the afternoon shift, I'll also add the PTA skill set, so both shifts will require PTA and CNA. For the noon shift, I'll include the supervisor skill set as well. You'll notice the skill set names can get long. To make things easier, you can enter a simplified title that will only apply to this specific job. Workers will see the shortened name instead of the full skill set title. These skill sets work just like normal. And now that I've added a few people, the job is set. That's how simple it is to change skill set names on the go. Be sure to check out our other skill set videos and reach out to a client success engineer for more information. Thanks for watching.